Hello everyone, welcome to a new lecture in the series of AI using Python. In this lecture, we will be giving a brief introduction to deep learning. In general, deep learning deals with deep neural network based modeling and can be considered as a subfield of neural network, which comes under machine learning and AI. The popular models in deep learning are feed-forward neural network, in which the layers are connected sequentially and is used for modeling static relationships. Autoencoder, which consists of two sequentially connected feed-forward neural networks trained together. Convolutional neural network, which uses convolutional filters for modeling sequential relationships in the data. Recurrent neural network, which is also used for modeling sequential relationships, especially dynamic relationships between input-output data. And transformer, which uses attention mechanism to extract dynamic relationships in the data. In this lecture series, we have already discussed feed-forward neural network and autoencoder so far. In the next few lectures, we will be discussing convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network, etc. So in general, all these models can be used for approximating various nonlinear functions. And as per the universal approximation theorem, a neural network with sufficient number of parameters can approximate any continuous nonlinear function. This makes this neural network models as a generalized model which can model any relationships in the data. And this leads to various applications of deep learning models such as in computer vision, process modeling, medical science, finance, recommendation systems, social media, etc. In this lecture series, we will be mostly focusing on this first application, which is computer vision, which deals with problems such as image recognition, image classification, etc. And in the next few lectures, we will see some examples of image classification applications. Here, we will be seeing some popular data sets which are used for illustrating image classification algorithms. We will be considering two data sets. First is known as MNIST dataset, and second, we will be considering the CIFAR-10 dataset. Both of them are from the Keras library. First, we can load the MNIST dataset using this command. The MNIST dataset consists of handwritten digits from 0 to 9, and it contains large number of these images. And here we can see a few images from this dataset by using this command, where we can see that the dataset contains handwritten digits from 0 to 9. And using various deep learning algorithm, we can classify these images into its actual value. The algorithm needs to identify the correct label. So here it should label this image as 5, and this image should label it as 0, and so on. Next, we will consider the CIFAR-10 dataset, which contains large number of images from various categories such as animals, vehicles, etc. And here we can see a few images from this dataset by plotting them. Here we have images for animals, cars, truck, etc. And the machine learning algorithm can be used for correctly labeling this dataset. In the next few lectures, we will be illustrating various deep learning algorithms using these datasets. That leads to the end of this lecture. Thanks for watching.